Hey y'all, it's Carolsue and welcome back to my shop. And today we have another What Not Wednesday, y'all. And it is my second purchase from Chasedeals. Eric and Cynthia over there. And this was August 6th. They had two shows that day, one at noon, first time I ever seen them, and then one at 6 o'clock, so I had to come back at 6 o'clock. And I have one more order from them. I got a film still. It's a huge one. So here's my ticket for today. I just did the first one, so we're going to just jump into it. And what they had is, it was Christmas warehouse, and everything's new, and they were just having a starting bid of $1. So a lot of things I got for $1. A couple, some might have bid against me, so I had to go up. So number one, I'm not for sure. Number one, I want to get it started. So I don't do gnomes, y'all know that, but I think they were new in August, 1st of August. I don't know how many shows they had done, but you could tell they were still new and still trying to get more followers. So I'd already been on there at noontime. You know, I bought 27 items for 27 different auctions. So I went ahead and got the bidding started. That way, usually when someone starts bidding, everybody will start bidding. So then it makes it easier on whoever's selling. So I got these 4 gnomes. They got the rice or beans or whatever it is, rocks in the bottom to hold them up, so they're like little shelf setters. I don't do gnomes, but I'll give them to somebody. There's going to be somebody going to like these little gnomes. But I got 4 of them, and I paid $1. So that was a good deal. And I might put it in a vignette. Someone might like them. There's a lot of people that likes gnomes. I don't get it. Yeah, I mean, I don't get it. So next is $2. I got 2 big shopping bags. They were $3 each from Dollar General. Yeah, Dollar General. So they're the big bags, not the little ones. I got these for $2. 2 bags for $2. I can go back in the house. Okay. So the next one was bags also. Same exact bags, but no one bid against me on this one. So, or I should say, maybe I bid against them. Shame on me. Because it was $2, so they bid once and then I bid and I won. So yeah, okay, I'm sorry. My bad, I bid. So this was $1 for 2, same exact 2. Can't have enough bags because I found out in the last couple of years, I'm tired of wrapping presents. Them kids just rip that open too fast and this is too much work. So let's throw it in a bag and cover it up. So number 5, $1. I got 1, 2, 3 bags for $1. Got my little sales thing here. I'm just going to go right on down. I think pretty much everything up. I got a lot for $1. And let's see. We're going to go 4. Oh, so 4. I did 4. I did 5. 31. 31 is, come on now. It's bad when your thing's so big. I got 1, 2, 3, 4 of the plastic ornaments. They retail for $1 a piece. So I got 4 of them. 31, and I paid $2 for this. $2 for that. Where's my box? I didn't put them back in the box. Hold on. Okay, sorry about that. I took about a 20-minute break in between the last video and this video because I had to organize everything, deconstruct it, and put it up. And I did. Okay. So the next one is, I don't know what that was. See, that's the good thing about having the screenshot, because then you just look at it. Okay, for $3. It was a random pool. They had $3 pools. And what that was, this will go in the house. Anyway, did you come back in? For $3, I got a glass nutcracker container. Isn't that gorgeous? Y'all know my living room is nutcrackers. So I'll probably, I guess I've only used the lid. But, so that was $3 for that. Let me put this over because it's going in the house. I was wondering, I was like, what is $3? I couldn't remember. Okay, 41. I think that's sad. 41, number 41. Wow, just look at my pictures. I hope I cut that out. Okay, this is 41. It's a metal storage container. It's Santa Claus. I think they had more. I'm not for sure. 41. Where are you at? I paid $2 for him. So that was a good deal. Let's see. Okay, they had a lot of these. I don't know why I didn't buy them before. But here's Snoopy, the solar bobblehead. Let's see, 41. This is 50. I paid $3 for him. And if I'd have bought him earlier, I could have got him for $1. But by the time I did order him or bid on him, there was a lot more people in there. So he was $3. The next one went, I can't remember who I think the next one was Mickey Mouse. And then this is 52, and this is Jack Skellington. And he's a solar bobbing head. And I paid $2 for him. Yep. No, $3 for him. Yep, $3 for him. And 53 is for $2. I got 4 of these. 3 are the Merry and Bright, and 1 is this one. So I got 4 of the small tins for $2. So 50 cents each. Not bad. Like I said, I'm going to make my little vignettes in them. This one is at nighttime. Nighttime sales go higher. If you're a seller, you want to sell at night because you get more money for them because there's more people on. If you want better bargains, get on during the daytime when people are working because you get a lot better deals. So that was 53. Next is Christmas trees. So I got 4 Christmas trees, and they're like the sweater, the felt. Let me pull one out. Oh, 2 Christmas trees and 2 stars. And there's the Christmas tree. And this was $2. I got 4 of them for $2. Okay. $71, and they sold a lot of these. I probably should have got more. I should have got the ones with the silver. Got 2 silver and 2 green, and I think there's 100 count in each one. And I got 4 of them for $1. What did they say here? So I know where they go. Okay. Santas. And next are my Santas. I paid $4 for these. Like I said, I could have got them earlier or cheaper, but I was being outbid. So these are going to go in my little vignettes. These are going to be like the little Santas with the bottle brush trees and stuff. I need more of these. I need a lot more of these. This is what I need. See. Oh, and our arms are posable, so you can move the arms. So I got 2 of these for $4. Which would save me $2 if I would have bought them new. So I'm not complaining. Okay, 78. Bought Christmas presents this time. I got Christmas presents this time and the next auction. The next auction I think was the 9th of August. I got a lot of Christmas presents, y'all. So my next door neighbors, y'all heard me talk, they got 2 boys and 2 girls, the ones that owns the house. So her, I paid $2 for her. It's a brand new Barbie. That was 70. Where's 77? Where's 77, y'all? Hold on, let me see where 77 is. What's 77? 77. Okay, 78. $2 for her, y'all. Christmas present. I'll have to separate these after. 79. $1 for her. And 80. $2 for her. So I got 3 Barbies, and I ended up paying for the 3 Barbies. I paid $5. So that's a good deal. I know they're plain Barbies, but it's still a good deal. Okay, 82. Okay, sorry y'all. Had to get back. 82. The little paint by number kits. So this was $1 for this. I got another one for $1. Disney Princesses. So those are going to be Christmas presents. Let's see, 82, 83, 84. 84. Yep. 84, I got 2 of these. And these are signs. The chipboard signs. And he's had a lot of these. You put this side, that can be flipped. It says naughty or nice. So I got these for crafting. There were 2 of them. Let's say number 4. 2 for $1, y'all. You can't beat that. Can't beat that at all. 88. I paid the most for this. Okay, this was $5. We had a bidding war going on by this one. And I think what I'm going to do is when I do this, I'm going to write down or write on my screenshot what I bought something for. Because I remember I wanted them. I had to have them because I was making something. But what I was making, I do not remember now. So I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I pay retail price for these. One says let it snow, and one says, another say joy. So I got 3 joys and 2 let it snow. And they are the wood ones. So $5 for those. And there was something I wanted them for, but what I do not remember now to save my life. You have to give me a minute on that one. Okay, 90. This is 90. Okay, for $1, I got 3 of the flocked trees. Ooh. Oh, the red flocked and the green flocked on now. It's flocked. See? So these are 6 inches tall. They sound like wood. Flocked covered wood. So I got a red, a white, and a green. And like I said, these are going to go in my vignettes. So I need to put these with my trees. I need to keep my tree stuff separate. And the very last thing I won is these. And there are 3 more of the plastic trees. And I got a green, silver, and gold. And they're 6 inches. These are the plastic. And I paid $1 for those. So $1 for these 3 and $1 for the flocked. And that's all I bought. And they threw in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. They threw in 6 lighted necklaces. Aren't they sweet? They are. They're just too sweet. I think what they was doing was giving who bought the most. And both ones I bought the most. Oops. So, I got 6 of these necklaces. Not sure what I'm going to use them for because I don't wear them. Probably use them for the little thing. I don't know. We'll figure it out. So, give me a second and I'll figure out how much I spent. Okay, y'all. I gotta go get on a calculator for that one. Alright. This was the 6 p.m. sale. And everything was $42. Shipping was $9.21, so it was $51.21. I got double the amount in the last week's order. Is because this one was at nighttime, y'all. So give y'all a little heads up. If you want to get great bargains, do it in the daytime. But if you're a seller, you want to sell at night. So I still got really great deals. Y'all know I do. I got really great deals. And I'm happy with them. Like I said, only one thing I think I paid retail for. So I will link everybody's information. I will link Chasedeals information down in the description box below. And my code for you, if you download the Why Not app or go online and you click on my code, Why Not will give you $10 to spend on anything except for taxes and shipping after your first purchase. They will just automatically put it to your account. You don't have to do anything, just purchase. You got to make one purchase. After one qualifying purchase, you get $10 free. So I will link all that in my description box and pin it down in the comments. And they also have a Facebook page. Cynthia she designs and makes racing shirts, like the t-shirts like I make. She makes them for racing. And so I'll link that too if I can get it down below. And I will see y'all for next What Not Wednesday, y'all. Bye.